Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hotly Trending. If you're new here, this channel is a go-to spot for crypto opportunities, airdrops, and testnet guide to help you earn big with $0 investment. So today, I'll be guiding you on how to position ourselves for Distributed AI's airdrop. So we'll download the node, we'll set up the node, and then this will position us. So you click the link in the description of the video. This will take you to the dashboard where I currently am, and then you enter your email and your password to sign up to Distribute.AI. So after you've clicked that, you verify your email. So you click on verify link. Okay, that's good. So Distribute.AI is basically the distributed compute network that connects providers to consumers for running curated open source models. So now we're going to pick a platform for the node. You can either download the desktop app or download the extension. So now I'm choosing to download the desktop app for Windows. So it's available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So if you're on a mobile device, you won't be able to use the desktop app. So you might use the Chrome extension with Kiwi browser or Mises browser or Orion browser. So if they're available for your Android devices or iOS device, so you can just choose that. So now I'm going through the setup wizard to install the node on my PC. So just gonna finish it to launch the node. Okay. So let's go. So I'll click on sign in. So you can see it's a desktop app, and the app actually floats on your desktop actually. So it's all perpetually floating. So it's going to, sometimes it might annoy you because it's going to be showing above anything that you're viewing on your screen at all times. So okay, so after we've signed in, so I'm back to the dashboard. So I'm starting, the node is running. So as it is, you can see credit rewards 0, there's nothing showing, but you can see connected. I gave my node. So the nodes they're also referred to as providers. So you can add an additional provider maybe for another device. So you can download a desktop or add it to Chrome, or you can even deploy it to any cloud provider, so the Linux runtime. So you can look at your referrals. If you have any referrals, then leaderboards, you can check your credits that you've received and where you rank. So now let's complete the tasks. There are some tasks that are pending that we have not completed that could give us, more points or credit as they call it. So you can see you can perform this, follow on X, join the Discord channel, maintain uptime, generate or chat with the Distribute.AI bot. So we're going to do the X one first. That is also previously known as Twitter. So basically, we're going to follow them. So we follow the project Distribute.AI on X. So that is that. Okay. So that one is pending, I think. I believe it should work, but let's perform the Discord. So we join the Distribute.AI Discord server. If you don't have a Discord account, kindly download and set up your Discord profile. It is important if you're airdrop hunting, and if you're going to position yourself in the world of crypto, you're going to definitely need a Discord account. So we must look at the rules. Most of us don't really usually study the rules. I have read and agreed to the rules. Just imagine if they told you you're going to, donate your firstborn son. That's how we wouldn't know. But anyways, all jokes aside, you verify, you continue. So make sure, it's going to tell you, make sure your DMs are not on. Then you just do that. Then you verify the captcha. So there's a captcha, so you just input what the numbers or whatever is traced by that line. So that's just what you're going to input. So after we've verified, you can click on get roles. So English, just click English. Then I could also choose Yoruba, because I also speak Yoruba, Nigerian. If there are any other roles that applies to you, you can just do that. So what I like to do is I like to chat a little bit on the platform. At least that kind of gives me activity on the platform. I don't understand why it's all showing pending. I believe it should automatically verify, but anyways, let's go on with the Discord bot. So you just click that, add to my apps, add to my server. So I'm clicking add to my apps for now. If you have a Discord server, you can choose to add Oasis AI. So Distribute.AI owns Oasis AI. So Oasis AI is basically their node and their AI agent. So you can see verifications from objectives before. The next tab is verifications. I'm trying to refresh to see why they should be showing complete, but don't fret, I think. Okay. Oh, there's a drop down actually. So once you click that drop down, then you click on verify status. So you can see, for the X account, it's showing you must connect your X account. Go to just the link there for security settings. So from security settings, our email is connected, Twitter and Discord is not connected. So you just connect your X account. So authorize app. So once you've clicked on that, we're back to the security settings dashboard. Then we also link our Discord account. So that's the next thing we're gonna do. So after clicking on link, so it takes us to Discord. We're gonna authorize on Discord. So this is quite straightforward to do, I believe. Once it's connected, you can go back to your account. You can see your account, your name, your email, everything. So you can collapse that, you can increase that, you can look at your sessions on the devices that you're running on. So I'm currently running on 2 devices. There's a Chrome extension and there's the normal one. So you can just click on the home button, then click on credits. So to verify, connect your X account, expand that, click on verify status. The next one, update your referral code. So you can choose to update that. But let's verify the ones that we've done. Connect your Discord account, verify that. Update your referral code. You visit referrals to set your own referral code and earn 500 credits. We'll do that later. But let's verify the ones that we have actually done. So join Discord.AI. We do that. Generate or chat with the Distribute.AI Discord bot. We've not done that, but added it to our account. So let's verify that. So then add this to the servers. We haven't done that. So you can see we've earned 5.6k credits. So that is beautiful. That's lovely. So you can still see the chat on the dashboard is still showing 0, but don't fret. So you can go to your referrals and see your referral link. So let's perform that task where it says we should update our referral link. So you just click on that. So you have the web address / then you just add just choose a custom name. So I'm choosing the Wiz. So I've done that now. So So I can go to the verifications, update your referral code, expand that, verify status. So that is verified. So now I'm left with 4 tasks that I haven't done. So the uptime, you earn 100 credits per hour. Once the node is running, you earn that, and you just rinse and repeat. Just complete all the tasks, do everything. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment. I would like to hear your opinions if this will cook or not, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.